Welcome back to Joda Decor, where we explore timeless decorating ideas that bring elegance and character into every home. Today, we're discovering luxury kitchen decorating trends that can instantly elevate your space without the expense and disruption of a full renovation. If you enjoy vintage-inspired interiors, sophisticated design ideas, and practical decorating tips, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's explore how small upgrades can create a truly luxurious kitchen atmosphere. One of the easiest ways to introduce luxury into a kitchen is through statement lighting. Oversized pendant lights, elegant chandeliers, or sculptural fixtures can transform an ordinary room into a designer-inspired space. Warm metallic finishes such as antique brass, brushed gold, or aged bronze add refinement while creating a welcoming glow that enhances the entire kitchen. Luxury kitchens often feel curated rather than crowded. Layering carefully selected accessories such as vintage trays, ceramic vessels, decorative cutting boards, and elegant glass containers creates visual depth. The key is choosing pieces that complement each other in color and texture while maintaining a clean, sophisticated appearance. Introducing natural materials can instantly raise the perceived value of a kitchen. Wooden serving boards, marble accents, stone containers, and woven baskets bring warmth and authenticity to the space. These timeless elements create a balanced look that feels both luxurious and inviting. Open shelving continues to be a popular luxury decorating trend when styled thoughtfully. Displaying collections of vintage dishes, glassware, and decorative objects creates personality while showcasing beautiful pieces that might otherwise remain hidden. Consistency in color and arrangement helps maintain an elegant and organized presentation. Replacing cabinet hardware is a small change that delivers a significant impact. Luxurious finishes such as brushed brass, polished nickel, or matte bronze instantly modernize cabinetry while adding visual sophistication. Coordinating these finishes with lighting and accessories creates a cohesive designer look throughout the kitchen. Even without replacing a backsplash, decorative styling can create a luxurious effect. Leaning framed artwork, displaying elegant trays, or incorporating decorative countertop accessories adds dimension and interest. These layers soften hard surfaces and contribute to a more personalized and upscale environment. Vintage-inspired pieces bring character and timeless charm to luxury kitchens. Antique clocks, classic scales, aged copper cookware, and heirloom-inspired accessories introduce history and warmth. These details help create a space that feels thoughtfully collected rather than simply decorated. Luxury design often relies on a carefully planned color palette. Neutral tones such as cream, taupe, charcoal, and soft gray provide an elegant foundation, while subtle accents in brass, black, or deep green add richness. Consistent color coordination helps the entire kitchen feel more refined and intentional. Fresh flowers and greenery remain one of the simplest ways to enhance a kitchen. Arrangements placed on islands, countertops, or dining tables introduce natural beauty and freshness. Choosing elegant vessels and seasonal blooms adds a polished touch that instantly elevates the room. Textiles can dramatically influence the atmosphere of a kitchen. Linen tea towels, upholstered bar stools, patterned runners, and tailored window treatments introduce softness and comfort. High-quality fabrics contribute to a sense of understated luxury while making the space feel more welcoming. Professional designers often use decorative vignettes to create visual interest. A grouping of cookbooks, candles, ceramics, and greenery arranged on a tray can transform an empty corner into a stylish focal point. These small compositions make a kitchen feel intentionally designed and effortlessly elegant. Luxury kitchen decorating does not require tearing down walls or investing in a major renovation. Through thoughtful lighting, curated accessories, rich materials, elegant hardware, and timeless decorative details, you can create a sophisticated space that feels both functional and beautiful. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Joda Decor, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite luxury kitchen trend. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next inspiring design journey.